Here's the latest update to Quick Beam, now running on an external display and with dynamic buttons. It's right here on the bottom. We can bring it up and expand it. You can take a look. This is the touch-based external monitor that I created a 3D printed frame for. And just put it right here on the bottom. It's got drag and drop features. You can drag and drop the icons, rearrange them, and then you have the ability to, let's bring it up here, you can create different types of dynamic buttons. So for example, we can add programs, we can add folders, we can add Unreal Engine projects. So like right here, you can see when you start one of those, it launches Visual Studio. It starts up Unreal Engine project. You can remove certain, this is almost like a top bar up here, and this top bar has the ability to show and hide different options. We hid the Android, so we can add it back in. We can just add a folder. Just decide which, let's pick this folder. This is the app icons folder. So let's pick that, and then just pick an icon for it and accept. And now we got it right here. You can move it, so we can remove that now. For example, this is a custom folder location where I have the cache for DaVinci, so I can remove that cache quickly. And for example, this is a bat file that will execute a program. It's an open source program, and I created a custom icon for it and added different paths in it. So for example, I can navigate to the root path. Every dynamic button has these options where you can add a path to it. So for example, let's go to the root path, and I want to give it a new path. So I'll go right click, and then I'll add a path, and then I'll give it the path. Now we have that new path under here. We can access quickly. And yeah, this is the game that I was launching earlier. For example, I have different Unreal Engine builds right here. These are just websites, so you can start different websites. These are different websites. For example, you can start up Netflix, and you can go to a website quickly. What else we got? For example, different paths for the OBS. So for example, let's add a Unreal Engine path for a project. So I have this Unreal Engine project. So let's put it right here, and then just give it a new icon. And now we've got the Unreal Engine project right there. So when you click that, it will open up Visual Studio and it will launch the game. But I already had that in there, so I can just remove it.